Welcome to Caviar for Teams. In this video, we'll show you how to create a group order for your company. Let's start off at your homepage. In the top left corner, you'll find your name and your company. Click into that and tap into our corporate portal. Welcome to our corporate portal. Here is where company group orders are made easy. Click into the day you're planning a meal for your team. Label the team meal to whatever you please. Next, select the desired delivery time and the time you'd like the order to be automatically placed. This auto checkout time field is the absolute latest time your team will be able to add in their orders. For your Friday order, we'll make the auto checkout time Thursday at 4:30 p.m. You can now scroll to the restaurant selection and select up to 8 restaurants for your team. Once you've done that, feel free to allocate a spending limit towards the meal. Click Create, and the group order will be visible to the rest of the company. That's all there is to it. Thanks for choosing Caviar for Teams, and happy eating!